In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an observation in iNaturalist. I'm going to open the app, and then from there I'm going to click on my account and the camera. I'm going to touch the camera, and I'm going to point my camera at a plant, and then I'm going to click Use Photo. And then from there, it comes up and says, what did you see? And you click on that and it'll give you suggestions. This is a plant called a portulaca or a purslane. This happens to actually be a wing pod portulaca. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to hit share. It'll take a second to upload, and that's how I make an observation. And then from there, what I can do is check to see if it got added to any projects. For example, this sphinx moth that I had an observation of, it actually here different people verified what it was, and it wasn't added to. Oh, it did get made research grade by having other people verify what it was. Then I can go back and I can see other ones like this flowering plant that I took a picture of. It still needs its ID from others. And somebody said that they think that this is what it is, and I can agree. These extra steps don't have to be done, but it just helps you get a better specimen and get added to different research projects. For example, here's a western toad that I took a picture of, and it got listed as research grade there because a lot of people verified that that was in fact a western toad. So different scientists that are studying western toads verified that find, and so now it is a research grade photo that somebody else can use in their research project.